I didn't get to say Happy New Year, and I hope that your year is going great thus far. But to get to the main thing of why we're here, I didn't get to say Happy New Year, and I hope that your year is going great thus far. I have a show that's coming up next week, and it's Glamour Fashion Week. It's held here in Greenville, and I will be one of the designers that's going to be hosting my designs in the show. And I want to show you all some stuff that I want to actually carry with me, so I want to try my best to vlog as best I can for this show, okay? So yeah, but I was invited to this show last year in December, and I accepted the invitation, and now I'm going to be featuring some of my stuff on the runway, at least 8 garments on the runway, and I'm going to choose the best of the ones that I do have, so hopefully those actually work for me. But I want to get right to it if I can, okay? So let's go look at these garments. We're headed to meet up with the models. I'm ready, dressed. I got my stuff over here, and waiting on my ride to get here. She's on her way, so we'll be headed out soon, and I will see y'all there. Okay, y'all can't even see me, but we're here at the location. I'm gonna meet the models. Y'all can't see nothing about me right now. Okay guys, so I have it upside down. They are laid out on the floor. I have the gems actually dried on this. I actually just finished adding these around the edges. I didn't add it to this one because I didn't want to put too much going on with this, but the look is fire. And those are the dresses I want to be carrying with me. I had to work on some more of those, and this is my Sunday, and I'm taking y'all with me because this week is going to be one of the weeks of my life. And this show is going to be amazing, and I just want y'all to be a part of this. So here, okay y'all, so I am gearing up for tonight. It's tonight, and I'm trying to get my selfie stick in this little squeezer bag with one hand, and it's not gonna work. Okay, so I got it in there finally. This, I can leave this out. I don't have to put that in there. So yep, I got that packed in there. Now I have to get the dresses together. Let me show you the dresses that I have working on. Okay, so these are what I'm going to be carrying with me to the fitting today. Very simple pieces. Yeah. I'm hoping and praying that this is not too short on the girl's bottom. This should be fine, that should be fine, that should be fine. But these are what I'm going to be carrying with me to the fitting today. So wish me luck. Bag, and so we're ready to go. I have another bag over here that I don't need right now, so hopefully this is good enough. But just one bag, my camera, and I think that's it, and I will see y'all once I get dressed. Bye. Okay, so I'm almost ready to go and put on my clothes to get dressed for the show. I just did my makeup. Okay, so it's about that time. I'm about to get heavy. All right, I'm back. So yeah, I'm taking these downstairs. It's a lot. I'm dressed and ready to go. I guess I'll come back for the other stuff. See? Say hi. My baby's with us tonight. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom and waiting to get the models, so I will try my best to vlog as much as I can. So y'all, last night was amazing. We did our fitting, and then I got up the next day and I decided to revamp one of my old dresses, and this is me revamping it and changing it into something else that would be cuter. I think this turned out pretty well. The model rocked it out, of course, but you'll see the final results in the show. So I'm ready for the show, y'all. Pray for me with my storage, because I cannot seem to get the storage right. Oh my God. Okay, but I'll see y'all later.
Time, you know, party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby?
So guys, this part of the show I have to talk over because of copyright reasons. I don't want to be copyrighted. So these are my dresses that I designed for the show. It was only 8 pieces. I don't think I viewed all of them, but these are the ones that I actually created for the show. And as you can see them walking down the runway, it was amazing. I think I cried inside like 300 times. But y'all, it was such an amazing show. I enjoyed the show. The girls did phenomenal. Everything was exquisite. We enjoyed ourselves. I think I said that enough. But I was also given a reward to be one of the first designers in and a part of this show, and I was crying. Of course, I almost cried actually. So I was honored right there, and yeah, this was an amazing show, and I'm so glad you guys came with me on this journey. I want y'all to stick around and stay tuned for more. But right here is when I was actually spelling out my business name from Instagram, y'all. That was embarrassing. But overall, the show was a success. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to get more videos like these. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.